Let's take a look at exercise 1806, question 5, and it says, express 3 as a power of a third. And this really comes down to knowing a really useful thing to do with reciprocals. Now, if I've got a number and I want to find the reciprocal of that number, well, if I want to find, for example, the reciprocal of 2, or if I like 2 over 1, the reciprocal of 2 over 1 is, turning it the other way, is going to be 1 over 2. So the reciprocal of 2 is a half. But we can write that another way. We can say the reciprocal of 2, there's 2, its reciprocal is to the power of negative 1. So that is the same as saying 1 over 2. Now the reciprocal of a reciprocal is back to where we were again. So if I said the reciprocal of 2 is a half, what's the reciprocal of a half? So here's a half. What's the reciprocal of a half? The reciprocal of a half is back to 2 again. And the reciprocal of 2 is a half, and the reciprocal of a half is back to 2. So we've got a similar type of thing here. We're saying express 3 as a power of a third. So we've got 3, and we want it to be a power of a third. Well, there's 1/3. Now, if I have 1/3 to the power of negative 1, that is equal to 3. So I've now expressed 3 as a power of a third. So 1/3 to the power of negative 1 is 3. In other words, the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3 over 1, or 3. And that's how we find that answer.